Do you think divinity has any doubt? No. Doubt is of the human mind. Doubt is fear trying to feel safe. And if you're watching this, there's a part of you that already knows this is true, because you felt it before. That moment where you just knew before your mind even caught up. I want to talk to you about doubtless awareness, because for so long I lived the opposite of that. I could not stop thinking. My thoughts were putting me down constantly. I felt completely inferior to everyone, inadequate, always comparing myself to everyone around me. And then something changed. I became connected to an awesome power, the awesome power of the light, the vibrations, the divine feminine energy of the universe. And I could feel it within my hands. I could feel it on my central nervous system. It was beyond my physical body. It is almost as if the edges of my physical body seemed to merge with the fabric of the universe, which made my whole existence, my whole being, feel enormous. And I remember at that moment feeling at one. And that was one of the first times that I felt divinity. And as my spiritual awakening journey has grown, transformed, I have understood what doubtless awareness really is. I understood what doubtless awareness actually feels like. You see, it's a place beyond fear, beyond doubts, beyond expectations, beyond humanity. It's a divine space where you fully trust your spirit. You trust the divine. You have this full knowing, this inner knowing, divine intuition. That's where it lives. And here is what I want you to understand, because your thoughts are not you. They never were you. They are just outside noise trying to detract you or distract you from connecting to your true self, your spirit. And your thoughts are outside interference. And so we have to learn to tune out of that noise and move on to our divine frequency, to live in our heart, to live with our spirit, so that we can't get confused by the noise, so that we don't become doubtful of things or decisions that we have to make. We become aware, and that means we completely trust in ourselves, not from your ego, but from a place of feeling, from your heart, from your whole body, because your whole body speaks to you. The divine doesn't speak in thought, ever. The divine speaks in feelings. The divine communicates to you as your spirit, through your spirit, not with words, but with a feeling, with a deep knowing. And I'm sure we can all think of a time when we just had a feeling, a gut feeling. We just knew something wasn't right, or you just knew. And it was before anyone told you anything. You just had a gut feeling that that was how it would be. And then as soon as you start to think it through, you start to doubt what you first felt. And then oftentimes we go with the decision that we made through our thoughts, and we end up making the wrong decision. But if you were just to follow your feeling and go with your gut instinct, regardless of what anybody else thought of it, regardless if people thought you were crazy making that choice, maybe it would have just worked out just fine. You see, that feeling is your intuition. And when we live in tune with ourselves, in tune with our intuition, in tune with divinity, in tune with our spirit, you know what to do in every situation. You trust yourself. You have no doubts. You know exactly what to say. You know exactly what to do. And this is your feminine wisdom. And this applies to both men and women. It's this time now, spiritual awakening of the feminine energy within us. And we all need that feminine energy and the masculine energy to be balanced within us, to be able to be in the center, to be able to connect to our intuition. You see, this energy it's not that it's been missing, it's always there. It needs unlocking, it needs reconnecting with your spirit. It's not something you've forgotten, it's something now that needs to be awakened and connected, because the vibrations of the entire planet are changing. And once you're connected, you remember. Actually, to live like this is extremely simple. It's just like how nature is. It just knows what to do. Wasn't ever given a manual at the beginning of its time. It just knows what to do. Why? How? Because it's connected to the source that created it. And so can you be. So whenever you're unsure, whenever you need guidance, all you have to do is just put your hands out or put your hand on your heart and just ask. Ask your spirit, ask the divine for a sign, for help, for guidance, and then just feel and wait. Come back to your spirit, back to the stillness. Come to that space of doubtless awareness. The divine will always give you a solution. Never rely on your thoughts. Always ask your heart. Always go with your feelings, because you already know what to do. There's no need to ask a friend or a family. You do not need to debate with your thoughts, with your mind. Forget them. You already know. And this is not about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you always have been. Remembering that you walk side by side with divinity, if you wish, with your own divine feminine power. You were never broken. We're absolutely fine, I promise you. You were just disconnected. Now it's time to reconnect. Reconnect with yourself. And if this spoke to you, my name is Lisa NorthStar, and welcome to Feminine Spiritual Awakening. Please join me for more spiritual awakening guidance. And if you're interested, meditations on my other channel. See the link in the description for those. It's time for us to remember who we truly are. Time for us to connect with our spirit, to become our true selves, to act in accordance with how we're meant to be. We can be free if we live with our heart. Thank you so much. Have the most truly wonderful day.